Hi guys, today we're making one of the most popular dishes in my country, spaghetti al pomodoro. It's a simple dish from my country, and by following my steps you'll nail it like an Italian. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of Marzano tomatoes or your preferred variety. In a pan over low heat, add the olive oil, garlic, and basil leaves. Sauté until golden, then remove the garlic and add the tomatoes from the can. Add about 4 tablespoons of water to the empty can, give it a shake, and pour the water into the pan. Adding water can help to thin the mixture and achieve the desired consistency and get all tomato flavor. Add salt, pepper, and a pinch of baking soda. Stir well, cover with a lid, and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the spaghetti noodles in boiling salted water until they are al dente. Before draining the spaghetti, set aside approximately 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce for later use as a topping. Mix the cooked spaghetti with the sauce in the pan and serve with fresh basil leaves and some olive oil. Spaghetti are really good with Parmesan cheese, and if you have some left over, you can fry them in a pan to have a unique, crispy, and flavorful variation of this classic pasta dish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious dishes.